In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color styles in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Color styles are a powerful tool in Figma that allow you to manage and reuse colors easily across your designs. Let's dive straight into the steps to create your own custom color styles. First, to get started, open up Figma and create a new canvas. Once you're in the workspace, we need to create a shape that will initially represent our color style. Simply grab the Shape tool from the toolbar and draw any shape you like, whether it's a rectangle, circle, or polygon. This shape will be the base for our color style. Next, select the shape you just drew and look for the Property panel on the right side of the Figma interface. Here, you'll see an option labeled Fill. Click on it to open the Fill options. This is where we can apply and customize our color style. In the Fill menu, you'll notice two key options: Create Style and Variables. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a color style, so go ahead and click on Create Style. This action prompts a dialog box where you can input your custom color. Now here's the fun part. Select your desired color and adjust it as necessary until you're satisfied with how it looks. Once you've chosen your color, you'll want to name it to make it unforgettable. It's very helpful to use descriptive names so that you can easily identify your color later on. After naming your color style, click the ++ button next to Custom Styles and Libraries. This allows you to save your newly created style. It's as simple as that. Your custom color style is now created and available for use. To see how it works in action, let's draw a new shape. Similar to before, just grab the Shape tool again and create a different shape. Once you have your new shape ready, select it and go back to the Fill panel. Click on the ++ button that you see there, just like before. Now, under the Libraries, you'll find your newly created color style. Select it, and instantly, your shape should take on that custom color style you just made. This feature makes it incredibly simple and efficient to maintain a consistent color palette across your projects. Remember, you can create as many color styles as you'd like, so don't hesitate to experiment with different shades and hues until you find the combination that works best for your design. And there you have it. You've successfully created and applied custom color styles in Figma, giving your designs not only a polished look, but also maintaining consistency throughout your project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing!